Welcome to the September edition of New Release Roundup, where we highlight what's new and cool in Algonquin Area Public Library District's Adult Services Department. My name's Elizabeth, and today we'll look at some of the new nonfiction selections that can help you create a more comfortable home and discover new recipes for meals that are healthy and delicious. Settle into fall nesting at home with these fun, colorful, and helpful books. COVID-19 has made everyone more germ conscious, and the Clean Freak Manifesto by Tara Garner is your guide to a cleaner and safer home. Learn about hotspots where germs lurk, discover the difference between cleaning and disinfecting, learn shortcuts and cleaning tips for hard-to-clean items like car seats, plush toys, backpacks, and in-ear headphones. Save money with recipes for DIY cleaning solutions and avoid expensive repairs by keeping your appliances and electronics lint and grime-free so they run their best. Stop panic cleaning and take these sensible steps that will work hard for you and your household all year long. Once you've cleaned, it's time to deal with unwanted items, and Jenny Romer's "Can I Recycle This?" answers that age-old question. Simple descriptions and colorful illustrations help you learn what you can and can't recycle. Not only does it help you sort out recyclable items, the book also teaches how the recycling industry works and offers suggestions for how to keep non-recyclable materials out of the waste stream. Informative and easy to use, this guide will change the way you think about what you throw away and how you do it. Cooking fresh food at home is not only good for us, it's good for the environment because it reduces the amount of packaging and waste we have to throw away. But on busy nights, finding a way to put homemade dinner on the table can be a tall order. That's why you'll want to check out Modern Freezer Meals by Allie Rosen, the Emmy-nominated host of Potluck with Allie. Modern Freezer Meals contains 100 recipes for main dishes, sides, and even desserts, all made from fresh ingredients. Not only will you find classics like beef stew and enchiladas, but also modern variations like cauliflower mac and cheese, edamame risotto, and vegan chocolate ice cream. Not only does Rosen provide the recipes, the book is packed with tips and essential know-how to turn your freezer into an essential mealtime partner. But even home cooks without time constraints can find themselves stuck in a rut. If your same old recipes are feeling a little stale and you want to take your cooking up a notch, the Secret Ingredient Cookbook by Kelly Senier is for you. These 125 family-friendly recipes each contain an unexpected secret ingredient that adds a delicious twist. Try whole wheat banana bread made with extra virgin olive oil instead of butter, chicken cutlets breaded with graham crackers, 30-minute mac and cheese in a rich golden sauce that contains pumpkin. These imaginative takes on favorite recipes not only surprise, they'll satisfy. Since we're all spending more time at home, it's an opportunity to enjoy simple pleasures, such as a vase of fresh flowers. Nikki Irving's Growing Flowers offers a bounty of information to help you design and create beautiful bouquets and arrangements. Turn a supermarket floral bunch into a colorful centerpiece that dresses up your dining room, or a thoughtful bouquet to cheer up a friend. And though garden season is winding down, the book also guides you through the steps to plan next year's garden, or order seeds and bulbs, start seedlings indoors, and transplant outdoors. With lovely illustrations and easy-to-follow instructions, Growing Flowers is a great resource for beginning and experienced gardeners. If floral gardening whets your appetite for all things home and hearth, don't miss Elizabeth Miller's Heritage Skills for Contemporary Life, Seasons at the Paris House. Part memoir, part how-to guide, the book tells the story of a family that moved from suburban New Jersey to a 200-year-old homestead in rural Maine. The Millers knew little about farming, raising chickens or bees, or making soap, but they learned all these skills and more, and now Elizabeth teaches them to others. If you yearn for a deeper connection to timeless skills, or simply want to enjoy the story of a family with a unique way of life, give this inspiring book a try. That's our new release roundup for this month. We hope you enjoy these selections, and if you try that pumpkin mac and cheese, let us know how it turns out. We'll be back next month with some spooky reads for your Halloween enjoyment. Until then, have fun, stay safe, and keep on reading.